Close your eyes for a moment and imagine a world where every bite you take is designed not to nourish you, but to manipulate you. A world where the foods you trust, foods labeled healthy, natural, and light, are in fact carefully engineered products created in laboratories, not kitchens. A world where billions of dollars are spent not on making you healthier, but on making you believe you are. Now open your eyes, because that world is not a dystopian movie, it's the reality of today's food industry. And in this video, we're going to uncover the shocking truth about your favorite healthy snacks. Prepare yourself, because what you're about to learn may forever change the way you look at the food sitting in your pantry right now. Let's begin with the most innocent looking of them all. Granola bars. They come wrapped in shiny packaging with mountain peaks or runners on the cover, promising energy and vitality. They whisper to you, this is the fuel of the active, the smart, the disciplined. But peel back the wrapper and you'll find a different story. Many granola bars are nothing more than candy bars dressed in gym clothes. High fructose corn syrup, artificial sweeteners, and processed oils hide beneath the surface. One bite spikes your blood sugar, releases dopamine in your brain, and convinces you to crave more. And when the inevitable crash hits, you think you've failed. But you didn't fail, the product was designed to fail you. That's the first truth. These snacks aren't made for your health. They're made for your addiction. Next, let's talk about flavored yogurts, the kind you grab in a rush, believing you're feeding your gut with probiotics. Yogurt, in its purest form, can indeed be a gift to your health. But the fruit-flavored versions lining supermarket shelves are often little more than sugar bombs in disguise. Picture this. A single cup with 20 to 25 grams of sugar that's more sugar than a glazed donut. And yet, the packaging shows strawberries, blueberries, or peaches, giving the illusion of fresh, wholesome fruit. What you're really eating is fruit concentrate, food dyes, and stabilizers. Your gut bacteria aren't being nourished, they're being thrown into chaos. And you, unknowingly, have been caught in the crossfire of clever marketing versus biology. Trail mix is another wolf in sheep's clothing. Nuts and seeds, healthy. But when combined with candy-coated chocolate, dried fruit soaked in syrup, and roasted in oils, what was once a nutrient powerhouse becomes a sugar and fat time bomb. A small handful could carry more calories than a slice of cake. You think you're eating like a hiker on the Appalachian Trail, but you're actually feeding yourself dessert disguised as fuel. And here lies another dark truth. Food companies know that by sprinkling just enough sugar into something healthy, they can hook you. That trail mix wasn't designed to energize your body, it was designed to keep you coming back for more bags, more servings, more purchases. Then there's the deceptive world of veggie chips. Think about it, a bag with bright green leaves or slices of carrots printed on the front, words like baked, crispy, or wholesome, stamped proudly. You reach for it, believing you've made a noble choice, a smarter version of junk food. But what you're actually eating is powdered vegetables mixed with starch, fried in oil, and dusted with salt. The nutritional value of the real vegetable is stripped away during processing, leaving you with a snack that's barely healthier than the potato chips you avoided. This isn't nourishment, it's illusion. And when you realize the truth, you don't just feel cheated, you feel betrayed. Now, let's expose fruit juices and bottled smoothies, the darlings of the wellness industry. They promise antioxidants, vitamins, and natural sweetness. But the reality? They often contain more sugar than a can of soda. Your body doesn't care if that sugar comes from cane or concentrated fruit, it reacts the same way. Blood sugar spikes, insulin rushes, fat storage begins, and soon you're left tired and craving more. Imagine starting your morning with a healthy smoothie that unknowingly sabotages your energy before the day even begins. That's not just a physical attack, it's psychological warfare. Because when you trust these drinks, you not only harming your body, you undermining your ability to believe in your own healthy choices. And let's not forget the protein bars and shakes, celebrated by athletes and promoted by influencers. They come wrapped in words like fuel, muscle, and strength. But peel back the label, and you'll often find artificial flavors, gums, and low-quality protein isolates mixed with sugar alcohols that upset your gut. Some protein bars contain nearly the same sugar content as a candy bar. And while they trick your mind with the word protein, they leave your body inflamed, bloated, and craving more. That's the cruel irony. The product you trusted to build your strength is quietly eroding it. But why does this matter so much? Because food is never just food. It's culture, it's identity, it's emotion. Every choice you make at the grocery store is a reflection of your desire for a better life. When you reach for that yogurt, that bar, or that smoothie, you're saying, I care about my health, I'm trying. But when that choice is corrupted by deception, the damage isn't just to your body, it's to your spirit. You start questioning yourself. You wonder why your energy is low, why your weight won't change, why you can't stop craving sugar. And the cruelest part, you blame yourself instead of the very system designed to manipulate you. Let's step into the lives of real people who've lived this nightmare. Sarah, a mother of 2, believed she was protecting her family by filling the pantry with granola bars and yogurt cups. Months later, her kids were restless, cranky, and constantly hungry. When she finally examined the labels, she realized their healthy snacks contained the same sugar as candy. The guilt was crushing. She felt she had betrayed the very people she wanted to protect. But once she switched to fresh fruit, homemade energy bites, and plain yogurt, the transformation was immediate. Her kids had more energy, fewer tantrums, and she had peace of mind. The lesson: knowledge is the most powerful ingredient you can put on your plate. James, a middle-aged professional, carried protein bars in his briefcase, convinced they were helping him maintain his fitness. At his yearly checkup, his doctor revealed his blood sugar was climbing dangerously high. Shocked, James couldn't believe it. He thought he avoided sweets, but his protein bars were laced with sugar and syrups. The emotional devastation was real. Years of effort undone by misplaced trust. But once he embraced whole foods, nuts, boiled eggs, and fresh veggies, he not only regained control of his health but also his sense of dignity. Amanda, a college student, kept trail mix and energy drinks stocked in her dorm room. She worked out daily, but her body wasn't changing, and her skin broke out constantly. She felt ashamed, doubting her dedication. But the truth was that her snacks were loaded with hidden sugars and artificial additives. The moment she replaced them with simple, clean foods, her body responded, her energy surged, and her confidence returned. The betrayal turned into empowerment, and she realized she had been fighting the wrong enemy all along. These stories aren't isolated, they're everywhere. And they prove a chilling reality. The greatest obstacle to your health isn't laziness, lack of willpower, or genetics, it's misinformation. It's the billion-dollar industry that sells you illusions wrapped in glossy packaging. But here's the good news. Once you see the truth, you can't unsee it. And once you reclaim your awareness, you reclaim your power. So what's the solution? It's not about perfection, it's about clarity. Choose snacks that are real. An apple with almond butter, carrots with hummus, a handful of raw nuts, plain yogurt with fresh fruit, homemade smoothies with no added sugar. These aren't restrictive substitutions, they're liberations. Each choice is a statement. I refuse to be manipulated. I choose real health over fake promises. And here's where your journey begins. Tonight, open your pantry. Take one snack you believed was healthy and read the label. Count the sugar. Spot the oils. See the additives. And then ask yourself, is this truly serving me, or is it serving someone else's profit? That moment of awareness is the first step toward freedom. If this video has opened your eyes, don't let the truth stop here. Share it with someone you love, someone who deserves to be freed from the same deception. Hit the like button, subscribe for more revelations about the hidden traps in our daily lives, and comment below. What healthy snack shocked you the most? Your story could be the spark that changes someone else's life. Because in the end, food is power. And when you know the truth, you no longer give that power away. You reclaim it. And that's how you build not just a healthier body, but a healthier future. Esta versão tem cerca de 2.000 palavras e foi estruturada no estilo investigativo dramático, como um mini documentário narrado, com histórias emocionais, dados chocantes e uma atmosfera de revelação. Quer que eu adicione também estatísticas científicas e dados de estudos, com números reais de açúcar, obesidade, diabetes ligados a esses snacks, para deixar ainda mais autêntico e convincente? Is this conversation helpful so far? O ChatGPT pode cometer erros. Considere verificar, informe.